Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to another exciting episode of Traveler's Toolkit, your ultimate guide to exploring the wonders of Malaysia. I'm your host, Nomad Nick, and today we have something truly special in store for you. Are you ready to embark on an adventure like no other? Well, get ready, because we're about to unveil the most epic travel hacks that will make your journey through Malaysia unforgettable. First things first, let's dive into the top 75 things not to do in Malaysia. Trust me, avoiding these common mistakes will save you time, money, and ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. Number 1, respect local customs and traditions. Dress modestly when visiting religious sites in rural areas. Let's keep it classy for folks. Number 37, don't feed or play with monkeys, snakes, or stray dogs. We want to prioritize safety while enjoying the incredible wildlife here. Number 18, don't drink tap water. Stay hydrated with bottled water to keep those tropical adventures going strong. Number 30, don't touch corals, sea fans, or marine life when snorkeling. Let's protect the underwater wonders for future generations to enjoy. Number 61, don't wear skimpy or backless attire at rural mom-and-pop eateries. Embrace the local customs and enjoy the mouth-watering flavors. Number 29, don't swim at waterfalls without proper permission and safety guidelines. We want to stay safe while immersing ourselves in nature's beauty. Number 58, don't enter tribal homestays or villages without permission. Let's respect the local communities and their way of life. Number 47, don't direct anger at frontline staff for service failures. Remember, a smile and polite conversation go a long way. Now that we've covered just a few of these essential tips, you're equipped with the knowledge to make your Malaysian adventure truly extraordinary. So, my fellow adventurers, I hope you enjoyed this thrilling episode of Traveler's Toolkit. If you found these travel hacks helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your travel buddies, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Remember, fellow nomads, with Traveler's Toolkit, you'll have all the tools you need to make the most of your Malaysian journey.
I know you're itching to make the most of your time, save your hard-earned money, and experience the true essence of Malaysia. So fasten your seatbelts, and let's dive right into these game-changing tips that will revolutionize your travel experience. Let's kick off with number 8. Don't make public displays of affection. While love is in the air, let's keep it private and respect the cultural norms of this enchanting land. Number 32. Don't miss out on the incredible street food scene. Indulge your taste buds in a gastronomic adventure and savor the flavors of Malaysia's diverse culinary heritage. Number 19. Don't forget to remove your shoes before entering places of worship. Show reverence and embrace the spiritual aura that surrounds these sacred sites. Number 62. Don't underestimate the power of sunscreen. Protect your skin from the tropical sun and keep those unforgettable memories burn-free. Number 51. Don't forget to pack insect repellent. Embrace the wonders of nature while keeping those pesky mosquitoes at bay. It's all about enjoying the journey without any itchy interruptions. Number 70. Don't miss out on the vibrant festivals that showcase Malaysia's rich cultural tapestry. Immerse yourself in the colorful celebrations and witness the magic of unity. Number 44. Don't underestimate the beauty of Malaysia's natural wonders. From stunning waterfalls to majestic mountains, make sure to include these breathtaking spots in your itinerary. Number 56. Don't shy away from connecting with the locals. Malaysians are known for their warm hospitality. Engage in conversations, learn about their traditions, and create lasting memories. Number 37. Don't forget to immerse yourself in the captivating street art culture. Every corner tells a story, and these colorful murals are a feast for the eyes and a delight for the soul. Now that we've uncovered these incredible travel hacks, you're armed with the knowledge to make your Malaysian adventure extraordinary. So my fellow adventurers, I hope you found these tips enlightening and inspiring. Remember to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow explorers, and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling travel content. With Traveler's Toolkit, you have the power to unlock the secrets of Malaysia. Stay safe, save money, and create unforgettable memories.
Do you already know why you can't wear yellow clothes? What about drones? And a little surprise from our channel Traveler's Toolkit, your ultimate guide to exploring the wonders of Malaysia, at the end of this video. Don't bring drones without proper permits and licensing. There are restrictions in protected areas. Don't pick wild orchids or slipper flowers. Appreciate them growing naturally instead. Don't leave footwear outside shops. Someone may accidentally take them. Bring them inside. Don't camp outside designated campgrounds in national parks without ranger approval. Wildlife encounters can occur. Don't bring alcohol when visiting indigenous communities. Most are dry by custom. Don't climb limestone cliffs or venture into caves without authorized guides. Accidents happen yearly. Don't leave gardens without checking for snakes. Avoid thick foliage. Don't violate cultural norms regarding affectionate touch, even among longtime couples of mixed backgrounds. Some disapprove. Don't disturb police roadblocks. Comply respectfully for officers to clear traffic quickly. Don't enter handicapped parking lots or special access lanes without proper certification documents. Strict fines apply. Don't joke about bombs or terrorism, even casually. All threats will be taken extremely seriously. Don't enter waters during seasonal jellyfish blooms, especially box jellyfish, which can be lethal. Don't feed or play loud music around nesting sites for turtles or hornbills. It disturbs critical breeding behaviors. Don't make vulgar hand gestures or insults toward locals publicly. Use polite body language and verbal communication. Don't lose patience with slower lifestyles or service speeds at rural areas.
Mind about going to Malaysia yet? Don't worry, this trip is worth it. And trust me, the more time spent on preparation, the safer and more interesting it will be. So we spare no effort in exploring Malaysia before we arrive. Let's keep going. And don't say we didn't warn you. Let's go. Don't pet captive dolphins. Refrain from supporting this exploitation. Don't close your eyes and smile at strangers randomly. It can be misinterpreted. Don't pick fruits, flowers, or herbs from rural orchards or nature reserves. Seek staff permission first. Don't overpack your schedule trying to see too much in too little time. Allow for traffic delays. Don't direct anger regarding service failures at frontline staff. Seek proper channels for complaints. Don't enter emergency vehicle lanes or block routes. This can obstruct access and delay critical care. Don't mock cultural traditions or beliefs, even lightheartedly, amongst friends in public settings. It causes offense. Don't engage in illegal activities thinking bribery will avoid consequences. Corruption is increasingly penalized. Don't drive without a valid local license or proof of international driving eligibility. Don't wear yellow clothing when visiting the Malaysian Royal Palace. Yellow is reserved for royalty. Don't hike without registering at control posts or informing local authorities of your planned route. Don't underestimate the power of riptides on East Coast beaches. Swim parallel to shore to escape.
Of course, some of the restrictions may seem strange to someone who grew up in a different culture. But remember, you are visiting another country with its own laws and customs. So it is better to be patient and listen to the advice of experienced travelers. Don't give money to child beggars. It encourages exploitative practices. Donate to legitimate children's charities instead. Don't pet, feed, or pose with wild animals used as photo props. Avoid supporting unethical tourism. Don't be impatient or lose your temper publicly. Stay polite and courteous. Don't ignore health and safety warnings, especially regarding swimming conditions at beaches. Rip tides are extremely dangerous. Don't participate in illegal gambling. There are licensed outlets for lottery, horse racing, and casinos. Don't overexpose yourself to the sun. Use hats, natural shade, and sunscreen to prevent illness. Don't litter. There are heavy fines for littering in public areas. Don't trespass on private property or farmland, even if just to take photos. Ask permission. Don't patronize unlicensed tour guides. Verify legitimacy to ensure safety. Treat the nature of the country you are visiting with care. Don't stand or pose on turtle eggs on beaches. It prevents them hatching. Don't argue over minor billing errors. Clarify politely via proper channels. Don't blame ethnic groups for political problems. It promotes harmful prejudice. Don't take photos of people without their permission. Ask first. Don't yell, use profanity, or make threats when angry. Stay composed.
Now get ready to embark on a journey like no other as we unveil the most mind-blowing travel hacks that will take your Malaysian expedition to new heights. Don't sunbathe topless on public beaches. It's considered indecent exposure. Don't pet or feed wild monkeys. They can be aggressive and carry diseases. Don't enter mosques or Hindu temples if you're not praying. Be respectful of religious customs. Don't eat or throw away food with your left hand. The left is considered unclean. Don't point your feet at people. It's very rude. Don't touch someone's head. The head is considered sacred. Don't make public displays of affection. Keep intimacy private. Don't overstay your visa. The penalties are strict. Don't bring drugs into or out of Malaysia. There is a mandatory death penalty. Don't insult the royal families or leaders. It can be considered sedition. Don't photograph sensitive military, government, or transportation sites. Don't ignore health advisories if hiking during haze season. The air quality can be hazardous. Don't handle sea creatures on dive trips. Let dive masters do so safely. Don't buy items made from endangered species. It perpetuates illegal poaching. Don't bargain at chain stores or restaurants. Bargaining is for street markets and small shops. Don't just take a taxi without using the meter. Negotiate rates in advance to avoid overcharging.
And now you are almost ready to unlock the secrets to a safe, budget-friendly, and unforgettable Malaysian experience. Stick around till the end, because we've got some exclusive travel hacks that will take your trip to the next level. Let's summarize. Point 1. Respect local customs and traditions. When visiting religious sites or rural areas, it's essential to dress modestly and avoid any public displays of affection. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Never use your left hand for eating or giving, and definitely don't point your feet at people. It's all about showing respect and embracing the beautiful cultural tapestry of Malaysia. Point 2. Adhere to legal and safety regulations. Overstaying your visa or attempting to bring drugs into the country can lead to serious consequences. We're talking mandatory death penalties and strict fines. Stay on the right side of the law, and you'll have a worry-free journey. Point 3. Environmental and wildlife conservation. Malaysia is home to some of the most breathtaking wildlife and natural wonders. However, it's crucial to refrain from activities that harm the environment or wildlife. No touching sea creatures on dive trips, and definitely no purchasing items made from endangered species. Let's protect these treasures for future generations to enjoy. Point 4. Cultural sensitivity and social etiquette. Seeking permission before taking photos of people and refraining from making insensitive comments about local customs and traditions are key to fostering positive cultural exchanges. Let's spread kindness and understanding as we explore this incredible destination. Point 5. Traffic and public behavior. Whether you're navigating bustling city streets or serene rural landscapes, it's essential to adhere to traffic and public behavior regulations. From using taxis with meters to being patient with slower service speeds, these small adjustments will ensure a smooth and respectful journey. Point 6. legal compliance and safety. Last but not least, let's prioritize legal compliance and safety. Avoid engaging in illegal activities and always prioritize safety by following proper procedures for activities like swimming and leaving valuables unattended. Your well-being is our top priority. And there you have it, fellow travelers. The ultimate guide to maximizing your Malaysian adventure while staying safe, respectful, and culturally aware. By following these essential tips, you're not only ensuring a fantastic trip for yourself, but also contributing to the preservation of Malaysia's rich heritage and natural beauty. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your travel buddies, and hit that subscribe button for more exclusive travel insights. Of course, you can't memorize everything at once, friends, so our gift to subscribers of our channel, Traveler's Toolkit, brought to you by Nomad Nick, your ultimate companion for the most epic adventures in Malaysia, a complete list of 75 things that are not allowed in Malaysia in a downloadable file. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep embracing the magic of travel.